If we take a broader lens from MPC Capital's perspective, what do you feel are the most interesting investment opportunities if you look at maritime in a whole and infrastructure? Because you're looking at a lot of things, owning a lot of things. How do you frame it? What's interesting going ahead?
I think, and we have invested just recently into the offshore survey and service vessel space. I would say in a bit of a niche, like the feeders have been a niche in container shipping. So we believe structural growth markets are interesting. And the offshore wind service, or let's call it offshore energy service market, is certainly a growing market. And there you can grow with the market. I think a lot of the other, let's say, usual suspects in terms of market segments, dry, tankers, and others, are way more mature. So they have a different growth profile. They will grow steadily with ups and downs. But I think the offshore wind market is a market that will, at least in Europe, continue to grow. Will need assets. I think it's a significant undersupply in the right assets, certainly the more flexible ones. And that's why we have invested in that space, and we do believe there's more opportunity there.
Definitely. So time is flying. So just another couple of questions. So we have a lot of listeners tuning in who are planning on becoming future leaders, future CEOs. You handle a lot of pressure, executing a lot of stuff. What is your best advice for new executives?
Be open-minded. Talk to others. Don't make all the decisions by yourself. I think it's really about making sure you have the right discussion partner. You get impulses from external parties. Have the right team. I think we have over the years at MPC built a quite diversified team of people with different strengths, different skills. So I think it's really listening to others. Eventually, you have to take the decision on your own at times. But I think to at least get the input is extremely important. Mentally be adaptable, because things change so quickly. So a decision that has been right three weeks ago might be a different decision today. So you should not always, just keep the same pattern. You need to be adaptable, and that's, I think, over the last 10 years, the way the world has developed. Things go so fast. Changes come up, so you need to adapt to the world that you live in. And I think those are the two key recommendations I would give. Be adaptable and listen to others, and make sure you get good feedback and good input from others.